This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Oscar Fortune. Well-maintained home located in desirable Southwest Stillwater. This home features 3 bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms, large living room and a family room with fireplace. New flooring installed 3 years ago. Patio doors leading from the family room out to the wood deck, perfect for entertaining. Bonus guest suite with 1 bedroom and bath. Also a 2-car garage and a 1-car carport. There's a storm shelter/basement in the garage for unpredictable Oklahoma weather. The AC unit was replaced 1.5 years ago and hot water heater 3 years ago. For more information, review the details below or contact Oscar Fortune at 405-747-6042.